Have you ever stopped to think about how your phone recognizes your face, or how a self-driving car knows when to brake? These amazing feats are powered by a type of artificial intelligence called computer vision. But how exactly does AI see and interpret the world around us? Let's dive in. Imagine teaching a child to recognize a dog. You show them lots of pictures and real dogs, pointing out features like fur, ears, and tails. Over time, they learn what makes a dog a dog. Computer vision is like training AI to do that, but with digital images and videos, teaching it to read visual information. Simply put, computer vision is a branch of AI that allows computers to interpret and understand visual data, like images and videos, in a way that's similar to how humans see. It's the AI's equivalent of having eyes and a brain to process what they see. So, how does it work? It starts with an input, an image. The AI then breaks down this image into its basic components, pixels. Sophisticated algorithms analyze these pixels to detect patterns, edges, colors, and shapes. Finally, the AI interprets this information to identify objects, recognize faces, or even understand the scene depicted in the image. Computer vision isn't just theoretical, it's all around us. Think about unlocking your smartphone with your face, how self-driving cars see the road and other vehicles, how AI helps doctors analyze X-rays, or even how augmented reality apps blend digital elements with the real world. The benefits are huge. Computer vision makes our lives safer, like in autonomous vehicles. It boosts security, enables incredibly immersive experiences in gaming and AR, and can dramatically speed up tasks that used to take humans a long time, like spotting anomalies in medical scans, leading to greater efficiency and automation. However, it's not perfect. Computer vision systems can sometimes make errors, misidentifying objects or people. They can also learn biases from the data they're trained on, leading to unfair outcomes, for example, in facial recognition systems. And of course, there are important privacy considerations when machines are constantly analyzing visual information. In summary, computer vision gives AI the ability to see and make sense of visual data, leading to incredible advancements across many fields. While it doesn't understand like humans, it's a powerful tool that's rapidly changing our world. Want to learn more? Check out our full YouTube video or visit our blog for a deeper dive into how AI sees.